stories, logos. If you want to create logos, this is flyer, poster, Instagram stories again, YouTube thumbnail, all those things. So let us try some things. If you want to create from scratch, usually with this template, there's always a new one you can do for yourself. Click on Instagram posts. Let's see what we are going to have here. Click on create blank. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell so that you can see more videos like this. And give this video a thumbs up so that it can go viral, people can see it and benefit from it. So it's still loading. So this is it. This is what you find on your canvas. So whatever you want to add, you click on plus. If you want to add anything from templates from Canva that is here, you want to add pictures, free pictures. So what you do is we have clicked on plus. There is design, there's elements. Under elements, you are going to see different kind of vectors that you can use, like lines, plan shapes, graphics, stickers. Network is still loading it little by little. And under gallery, you have to go to your own gallery to pick any picture you want. Under uploads, you will see the pictures you've uploaded before to your Canva account. These are the pictures I've uploaded before here, so you can go back and use them. Text, if what you want to do is add text first, you can add text. So photos is basically photos from Canva, just like you are getting photos from other sites you want to use. Yes, and you can search photos that you want to use. So audio too, you can add music to it. So let's start from scratch. So let's click on design. You can see designs like templates. So here you can use design, but we don't want to use design. So we want to create something simple. Let's go to elements. So elements make it easy for you to do so many, like on under elements you can see many things you want to do, like lines and shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, whatever. So let's add everything all at once. Let's see. You have to ask yourself what is the theme of what you want to try to create. Let's say we are trying to create a business advertisement. So what we can do is cake business. Let's say it's cake business. So under photos, I've seen cake, but I can do cake by searching for cake. If I search for cake under all, filtering under all, I will see cakes. Under photos, I will see cake. Under graphics, I'll see cake videos. I'll see cake music. Do you get? So if I click on this photo of cake, so by dragging it anywhere I want to drag it, I can drag it here and spread it around this way. So there is space here. So if I want to make it more beautiful, I can choose a color of what I want to add on it, like a text or like an element that's going to bring out this color for me. So remember, this is our picture. Remember, this is our picture. I've dragged it back. So if I want to change the color of this, I'm looking for something that looks like the color of cake. So let's use like a green color and see what we can have. So you see, I've clicked on this background, not this one here. So I've clicked on this background. It's showing color here, so I can add any color I want. So meanwhile, there's one function on Canva that's very beautiful. The AI functions give you the colors of other colors of the picture you've posted, and that's the reason why I like to add an image first before adding any color. So it's going to bring all the colors in that picture you've added before that can blend with it. So imagine I want to use this color. You can see photo colors. So I can use this color, I can use this, I can still use it. There's white that I can use this. So let me choose red. So with this red color, I can now come up here, click on the picture. See, if you go this way like this, it's going to zoom out, zoom in. So I like to go back and spread it. So it's not really working well because the photo is more wider than that. So I don't want it to spoil the image for me. So this is what I have here. Then if I want to write anything, I click on plus again. Remember, there is no text template that we can use, so we have to add our own text. So slide and click on text. Then you are going to see templates, and you can write your own, like add heading. So but to make it easy for you, you can use any of these templates. So let's use this templates. We are still going to come back and use our own wordings ourselves, but I've clicked on huge sale and I click on it twice. That's a mistake. So this huge sale, I can put it here, then and work on it. So this is how I'm going to work on it. I'm going to look for a color that works for every one of it here. So let's click on this color. I think green should work. Let's go and look for it. I've clicked on the huge cell. So let's look for color. Now let's go back to our AI photo detector and look for any color that works here. Yes, it's working on the upper color. The one down, we click on cell. Let's look for the color that works for it too. So if I want to change all the colors to this, I'll just click on change all. It's going to make everything the same color. So but I don't want it. So let's look for color for sale. So on the color I can choose huge sale. So let's use this white, and I can use green. I think there's a deep green there. Yes, but it's not showing well. It's not making it look beautiful. So let's go to what we have before. White is fine. So that's how it is. That's how easy it is. So if you want to add text without using template, what you do is come to text. I've clicked on text. You can add, depending on the kind of font you want, you can add a subheading. It has to be big font, medium and small. So but with this I need something small, so I click on add a subheading, the medium one. So then I click on edit. So that one I can use it to add phone number, like saying 0810. Let's just add this number. But because of the font, I like a better font. So I will go back and look for a better font size and font. Let's click on font and look for something beautiful. Yes, let's use this. Then let's look at the color of the font and use something that goes in line with what we are looking for too, what we are doing. So what color do we have here before? Let's use this. Red is too much there already, so let's look at what we can have here that is going to show properly. So we can use this green, then now go to our color gradient and adjust the color gradient to fit in with the color of the design on the cake, so it works perfectly for us. Yes, so that's the phone number there that we can use. So if you want to add anything to make the phone number pop up well, you click on plus, then you look for elements. Under elements, you are looking for, we were looking for cake before, so we want to cancel this. Let it just go normally. Up here you have recently used template and designs you've used, all the things I've used before. But here I can look for any shape that's going to make my design beautiful. I click on this shape, so, and bring it here, reduce it, make it go inside and draw it out again. I can now change the color. Remember, if I click on this text, it's going to be working on the text, but this shape is what I have clicked on. So I've changed it to, let's look for one of the colors here. Yes, even if we use red, but it's too much. The red is getting too much. So let's use another mature color to keep the number in check. Yes. Is this not beautiful? I just designed a cake advert, huge sale. So you can even add the price. You can decide to add the price. Let's click on plus again and add price. So you can look for another shape to add the price. Reduce it by bringing it in, and so far we want to put it here. Let's put it on the cake and increase it. Okay, so let's change the color to what we want. So we're looking for a very fine color that can work. Yes, so we've used green here. So let's click on plus and add another. So what I like to do is, instead of looking for text up and down, so what I use is this text that is here, I duplicate. Usually I click on the plus duplicate and edit it out. And write like, so I will change the color so that I can see it very well. Color of the text, change it to white. Let's write 15K and put it in the box. So remember, it's centered. You have to make sure that it is centered. There will be lines that is going to be directing you. Then let's change the font. The font, it is not looking beautiful. Or put effects rather. You see, splice, yes. Holo, the holo is fine. Yes, you can change the shape. You can make the shape be like this. So this is what we have here. So this is beautiful already for a cake. So that is the simple way you can design as a beginner.